Northallerton Express. About to come past Northallerton. Nice turn there. Yeah, guys, I just saw 2 freights just come past. That's going to be in a separate video. Anyway, where's this going? Liverpool Lime Street. Yeah. Anyway, this Northallerton Express service is going to Liverpool Lime Street, so it'll be calling it York, Leeds, Huddersfield, Manchester Victoria, Newton the Willows, and Liverpool Lime Street.
Could be Lee Green.
Oh yeah, it could be. Oh, is it going to Lee Green? Anyway, Northallerton Express service stopping at Liverpool Lime Street. Another HST, and they are got speed past. Oh! Cross country. Wow. The cross country. That's the actually new cross country speeding past Northallerton. Yes. I thought it was LER HSD. Cross country about to speed past Northallerton. Oh! Nice turn from the driver. Hope I got that. Anyway, cross country speeding past Northallerton. LER to stop at Northallerton.
Your train, Connor.
Nope. 0.
Mine's in an hour. I just came early because I knew he was driving.
It's electric.
No, it's one before. Down the cathedral. Fingers crossed this fucking label. You numpty. You absolute numpty.
None of your stuff.
Yeah, what's fuck off. I'm going off. Look for this class.
This train is going to Darlington? I don't know. Anyway, stopping at Northallerton. And they are about to stop at Northallerton on platform 1. This is going to London's King's Cross. It's electric. It's not a HST. This Flying Scotsman. Fast train about to go past Northallerton. I don't know what it is. What is it?
The train is now approaching platform 2.
There's another fast train about to come past on platform 1. What is it? It's a cross country. Cross country speeding past Northallerton. There's another train over there. I'll video that. Just a minute. There it goes. Cross country speeding past. HSC Slam, and they are on speed past. Oh, that was going fast. Whoa, that was fast. Anyway, there goes the HST Slam, and they are speeding past Northallerton. Northallerton Express about to stop at Northallerton. This is going to Darlington, so it'll just be calling at Darlington only. Here it comes. Wait. Yeah, it's going to Darlington. It's not that busy either. Anyway, Northallerton Express service to Darlington. So, we'll just be calling at Darlington only, but anyway. Northallerton Express stopping at Northallerton, and that's going to Darlington. Central. About to stop here at Northallerton. This is going to Sunderland. Is this go to Eagle stuff from Hartlepool?
No,
Sunderland.
straight up to Newcastle.
Sunderland.
Right,
Yeah.
see you later.
Anyway, Grand Central service to Newcastle. Stopping. Right, it's just Sunderland. Anyway, Grand Central stopping at Northallerton next to Sunderland. Northern Express about to stop at Northallerton, and this will go to Liverpool Lime Street. So we'll be calling out York, Leeds, Huddersfield, Manchester, Victoria, Newton the Willows, and Liverpool Lime Street. And Northern Express stopping at Northallerton, service to Liverpool Lime Street. Cross country about to come past. Oh, top. Oh, it's a trouble. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, Danners went all over the place. Well, at least it didn't. At least we ate it all. That's the good thing. That's the good thing. That's
Right,
how
there's
windy.
a bin. Get your box.
That's how. Oh, thank Ben was sorting his burger. Oh my god. Look at you, lucky bastard. Look, he's got his burger and all that. Anyway,
Can you pick that up?
Speeding past Northallerton. Paradise Express about to stop at Northallerton. Where's this calling at? This is going to Newcastle. It's Transport Express service to Newcastle. Obviously, it'll be calling at Northallerton, obviously, because it's at Northallerton station right now. Darlington, Durham, Chesterley Street, and Newcastle, where we'll be finishing at. Anyway, Transport Express stopping at Northallerton, calling at Darlington, Durham, Chesterley Street, and Newcastle. Slab door, only
Guys, a HST.
let's speed past Northallerton. There's hardly anyone at
Oh, no,
here
it's
at
91.
Northallerton.
It's not a HST.
Wait, it's just an electric. Oh, nice toot there. Nice toot from the driver there on the LNER. Anyway, LNER speed past Northallerton. Grand Central about to stop at Northallerton. Let's get a turn off this. Will we not? Yeah, I'll try. Let's try to get this a turn off this Grand Central. Sorry if this camera's shaky. Here it is, Grand Central. There it is, Grand Central. It is a few minutes late. Anyway, Grand Central stopping at Northallerton, that was nice, don't know.
We are sorry that the
See Grand Central's come that much at Northallerton, but anyway, Grand Central stopping at Northallerton. Transport Express service about to stop at Northallerton, obviously, and this Transport Express is going to Manchester Airport, so it'll be calling at York, Manchester Airport via Leeds, so it'll be calling at York, Leeds, Huddersfield, Manchester Victoria, Manchester Oxford Road, Manchester Piccadilly, and Manchester Airport, where it will be finishing at. There it is, Transpennine Express. stopping at Northallerton, and that is going to Manchester Airport via Leeds. Transport Express stopping at Northallerton. Transport Express about to speed past. Transport Express. Where's it going?
201.
Where's it going, Connor?
I don't know.
Oh, anyway,
Should look at the
Transport
front.
Express.
Yeah, it'll be
Speedy
off
past
to
Northallerton.
Manchester.
And we are about to speed past Northallerton. I think it's a HST slam actually. I think it is. Let's try and get a tone. Try and get some tones. It's HST. Nice LDR, speeding, HST slam LDR, speeding past Northallerton.
X's Midland.